Are you exhausted of using the exact same aged bread basket for every affair? Why not try making your own DIY bread basket? It's an exciting and effortless task that are going to incorporate a personal contact to your dining table. In this tutorial, we are going to present you how to make a basic yet fashionable breadstuff container using just a couple of products. Products. Fabric. We advise making use of cotton or bed linen. Scissors. Leader. Sewing machine or needle and string. Iron. Step 1. Cut the fabric. Begin by cutting two parts of cloth that are each 18 inches by 18 ends. These will be the leading and base parts of your breadstuff container. Step 2. Reduce the bits. Next, cut 4 strips of material that are each 3 inches vast and 18 inches long. These are going to be utilized to produce the edges of your bread container. Step 3. Iron the edges. Making use of an iron, fold up over one short edge on each bit regarding ½ an inch and press it down securely. This are going to generate a neat edge for your container. Step 4. Stitch the strips together. Take 2 of the bits and place them best sides with each other, with the folded side overlapping somewhat. Affix them in location. After that, sew along this edge with a straight stitch. Repeat this measure along with the various other 2 bits. Measure 5. Generate a loop handle. Reduced another bit of fabric that is about 1 inch large and 8 inches long. Fold up it in 50% lengthwise along with best sides together, then stitch along one short end and down the lengthy side making use of a upright stitch. Switch it right edge out so that you possess a loop handle. Action 6. Attach the handle to basket sides. Take one end of each strip from Action 4 and overlap them through about 1 in. Spot one end of your loophole handle between these 2 bits at this point and pin it in spot. Stitch over this region along with a straight stitch to protect the handle in area. Step 7. Attach the sides to the bottom. Take one bit and pin it along one side of the base part of material, with ideal edges together. Sew along this edge along with a straight stitch. After that, repeat this step with the other 3 bits until all sides are affixed to the base. Action 8. Affix best piece. Put your top item of fabric on best of your basket, along with best sides together. Affix it in spot around all 4 sides. Sew around these sides, but leave a 3-inch space open for turning. Measure 9. Transform your container right side out. Hit inside your basket with the gap you left open and take it by means of so that it is currently best edge out. Use a chopstick or various other pointed resource to drive out the sections and edges so that they are wonderful and neat. Step 10. End up your container. Lastly, stitch up the gap you left open making use of an unseen stitch and push your container standard along with an iron. You currently have a gorgeous DIY breadstuff basket that will certainly excite all your guests. In conclusion, creating a DIY bread container is an enjoyable and very easy project that may incorporate personal style to any dining table. With simply a few components and some general sewing skill sets, you may produce a classy breadstuff container that will be both functional and aesthetic. Provided a try out today.